In this video, we're going to talk about two shortcuts for creating functions. The first one's called does, and the second one is called has. And let's fire up our interpreter, and let's look at the definition for those two function shortcut words. So you'll notice that does just needs a body here, and what that's for is it's just a shortcut for defining a function that doesn't have any arguments to it or any locals to it. So if we just let's just do another trivial example. Yet another variation on hello world with a function definition. So there we are. We just defined a function, and really it has no arguments, it has no locals, it's just doing something. And in this case, it can look at the global context as well. So if you have a function that you're going to be using, you can use words outside that function context that are global. But you can really, outside of that, it's just a normal function. So if I do a probe on that, get hello, probe get hello, you'll see that all it is at the end of the day, it's another make function, just like we saw in the last two videos, but you'll notice that its argument block is completely empty. So it's just the body of the function, and does is just a shortcut for that. It's a very Rebol thing to do to simplify things where you can. So instead of having to define an empty function block, it just gives you this as an alternative mechanism. Related to that is has, which let's look at the help for has. And in this case, has takes two blocks. One is for defining local variables, and the other is the body of the function. So has is a shortcut for any functions that you need that don't have any arguments. So let's just define has with two local variables, and then we're going to set those internally. We really don't care what they're doing here. And then we're just going to return the sum of those two. Oops. Let's just set two numbers locally there, and then we're going to, we'll just do a print on this one. We're going to print the first one, then we're going to print the second one, and that's all we're going to do there. Oops, I didn't assign it to anything. Let's just call this print test. There we go. So I used the has word function to create a function called print-test that just assigns two local variables and then prints them out. So if I just do that, you'll see that it printed the two local variables there, and you'll notice that they don't exist in the console in the more global context there. So that's does, that's has, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching.